Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I am Sakshi Batra, and in this video we're going to be understanding what are the new and latest mutual fund trends that we have been witnessing. Well, as for March, the AMFI has come out with the data which has actually displayed some kind of a shift in the month of March when it comes to the inflows that are going in the equity mutual funds category. It is the small cap funds category that has experienced an outflow of 94 crores. Why this is important is because this is the first time in 30 months that the small cap category of equity mutual funds has witnessed an outflow. The last time the small cap funds had seen a net outflow was of 249 crore rupees, and this was in the month of September of 2021. So in 30 months there has been a consistent inflow for the small cap funds. Now this is perhaps because investors really turned cautious after the capital markets regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, raised concerns over froth in the segment, and we did hear SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Booch talking about how steps should be taken by the mutual fund organizations, by the institutions to protect investors' money, because this space looks overheated at this point in time. And therefore, we did see the March figures reflecting that outflow of funds coming in, and of course the restrictions that SEBI had asked the mutual funds organization to start to put in place. Now the net inflows even in the mid-cap funds have also slumped in the month of March. 44% odd to just about 1018 crores. This is against the investment of over 1800 crores that we did see in the mid-cap funds category in the month of February. Now, it is this outflow in the small caps and the sharp fall in the inflows in mid caps that has overall led to inflows in equity mutual funds to falling 16%. In the month of March, the total inflow for the equity mutual funds has come down 16% to 22,633 crores. However, there was still positive data that we can refer to and still feel happy about. There was a reversal of flows to large cap funds. The inflows into this category jumped 131% to 2,128 crore rupees in March. So it seems that investors have probably also moved from small cap schemes to large cap schemes, and hoping that perhaps this is the safer haven when it comes to riskier investments in the mid and the small cap spaces. There's another data point that's been very positive in the month of March from AMFI, and that is that contributions via systematic investment plans, in case you too have been investing in mutual funds via the SIP category month on month in a regular fashion, then you have a reason to rejoice. The SIPs have remained above 19,000 crore rupees level for the second straight month. As per the AMFI data, for the month of March, the SIP book was 19,271 crores as against 19,187 crores in February. So there's been an inch up on that. So the SIP flows continue to be robust at this stage. The data also reveals shifts in the other categories, with exchange traded fund or ETF inflows also rising to 10,560 odd crore rupees from 6,461 crore rupees a month back. There's also an increase in the dividend funds that's seen an increase in inflows to 323 crores from about 94 crores in the previous month. There were other noteworthy changes also, especially in the debt schemes. There was a total outflow in the debt schemes that has reached nearly 2 lakh crores, to the tune of 1.98 lakh crore rupees as a specific case. And this is an increase from the previous month's outflow of 63,808 crore rupees. So overall, we can say what we have inferred from the data that we have received from AMFI, that the rising market, we've also seen the stock markets really recording record levels over the last 1.5 months odd. Many milestones have been achieved. So this rising market has led investors to book profits and also shift their money from small caps to large caps in many cases. However, the SIPs have continued to be encouraging, riding on the constant momentum that we are witnessing in the stock markets as of now. With that, we wrap up this very special edition for you, but do stay tuned onto Business Today TV as we will continue to get you such interesting data points from the world of mutual funds, whether it is in equity mutual funds, in debt schemes, in the fixed income schemes as well. These are the phenomena that you should keep in mind to get an idea what the trends are as far as the mutual fund space is indicating. With that, we wrap up. Many thanks for tuning in.